How to use emergency patients to build your business. Hi everyone, Angus Pryor here, #1 Amazon best-selling author and practice growth specialist, bringing you this next one in a series of business booster videos, 30 videos in 30 days or longer until we can get over the hump and help you beat the gloom and come out on top. Now, how can we use emergency patients to help build your business? Now, clearly, if you're closed, well, this one's not going to apply to you. And dare I say, you probably haven't clicked on the video, but who knows? You know, one thing that I've noticed, I've been speaking to a lot of dentists lately, and at a time when people recognize that a lot of services are closed, if people have got a dental emergency, one thing I've observed from the feedback I've had is how grateful they are to your practice that you're actually able to see them at all. Obviously not 100%, you know, there will always be a few entitled people out there, but a lot of people are very, very grateful that you've been able to see them in their time of need and get them out of an emergency situation. So with that in mind, what I would be doing to build your business is one of two things. The first one for me is an absolute no-brainer, and that's asking for a Google review. And can you imagine, you get someone who's very grateful, they will speak more passionately, and they've got such a clear before and after. You know, before I went and saw Dr. Paul, you know, or Dr. Jimmy or whatever, I was, you know, in a lot of pain. They got me in, they fixed me up. I'm so grateful. You get really powerful Google reviews from that. The other thing you can do potentially is to get a testimonial. Now, the truth is you're not meant to in Australia be using testimonials that have got a clinical element to them, but one thing that would definitely come through if you can get one of those, you know, whether you capture them on camera for a minute or two, is their gratitude for your practice and the service that you provide. So there's two ways you can build your business that would definitely help when you reopen, because you've got people who are so grateful that you've helped them in an emergency. Catch you tomorrow.